Hello everybody, today we're going to unpack and take a close-up look at the Anker PowerLine II USB-C to USB-A 2.0 cable. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So this is a USB-C to USB-A 2.0 cable by Anker from its PowerLine II series. And I've previously unboxed the Lightning version several months ago. So this is the USB-C to USB-A 2.0 version. And this one is in black. It's available in red as well. And the length on this one is 3 feet or 0.9 meters. So let's go ahead and open up the box by, of course, cutting apart the protective seal on it over there with a penknife. Maybe let's try that again. And then popping open the box flap to reveal what appears to be a carry pouch or case. And let's tip the remaining contents from the box and making sure nothing else is left inside. So that's the box emptied. We can set it to the side. And then of course setting the rest of the contents across the tabletop so you have a nice clear view of what we've just removed from the box packaging. So let's first start off by taking a look at this booklet here or card. So there is a not happy print on the reverse side of the card, and it does open out to show some customer support and contact information with the times as well, should you have any issues with the product. Okay, so there we go. And now we can set this card to the side and move on to the next item, which is the carry case or pouch. As you can see, just a little cute soft plastic or soft rubber pouch from Anker for this PowerLine II USB-C to USB-A 2.0 cable, and just giving you an all-round look. So it does have 2 zippers on it, and on the underside of the case, nice and clear with only the Anker branding at the top. And just to give you some sense of scale and perspective, resting the pouch in the palm of my hand right there. Okay, now let's go ahead and of course open the pouch up by pulling the zipper right along and revealing the Anker PowerLine II USB-C to USB-A 2.0 cable. So I'm just going to set it on the tabletop so you have a nice clear view right there with my hands and fingers out of the way, and just giving you a close-up look to the case as well as the cable resting inside of it right there. Okay, and now let's pop the cable out from the case. As you can see, kind of semi-hard case. We're going to set the case down to the side right there, and then giving you a close-up look to this USB-C to USB-A 2.0 cable. This is the black version. It's also available in red, as I've mentioned, and this is the 3 feet long version or 0.9 meters. Of course, giving you once again some sense of scale with the cable all tied up right now, and right there as well. And now giving you a close-up look to the connectors. So of course this end is the USB-C end right there. So USB-C connector right there, which is reversible whichever way you plug it in to the USB-C socket or any USB-C socket. So nice clear view, good focus right now. And of course giving you a side view as well. So this cable from the PowerLine II series by Anker has full lifetime warranty or guarantee. So that's always nice to know. And it's also built to last. So right there, that's the USB-C end of the cable. And then moving on to the opposite end, which is the USB-A, and this is the 2.0 version. So standard USB plug, as you can see, but this being the updated 2.0 version. Right there, and you can see the Anker branding as well on the plug. And just taking a look at both sides, the underside of the connector, actually this would be the top side. Nope, underside, and that's the top side. There we go. Okay, and this cable also has a very thick nylon braiding, and it's a two-tone braiding. As you can see, it's black as well as partially gray as well, so causing a little kind of snake-like reptilian skin effect with the two-tone color braid. Right there, giving you that close-up look. Okay, so this is once again, the Anker PowerLine II USB-C to USB-A 2.0 cable, the charging and sync cable for your USB-C device. Of course, you can see there is a hook and loop Anker cable tidy here. And of course, let's now undo the cable just to give you some sense of the length of the cable. And of course, this is, as I mentioned and shown on the box, it is a 3-foot long cable or 0.9 meters. So giving you some sense of length there. Just going to stretch it out over there, but obviously still slightly coiled up. Maybe we can fix it up a little right there to give you some sense of the length of the cable. So okay, so right there, and now giving you a close-up look to both ends of the cable with the USB-C and USB-A 2.0 connector right there. Okay, just going to get my finger out of the way so you have a nice, clear, unobstructed view of the plugs right there. Nice and steady. And of course, straight on as well, so you can see the USB-C in my left hand and the USB-A 2.0 in my right hand. Okay, so of course, showing you the neck and the body or housing of the plug. So the neck side, as you can see, actually the neck side on this end does have a kind of soft plastic cover to it, whereas the main black boxy bit to it is hard plastic. Of course, just showing you the bendability or malleability of the cable as well, right there. So these cables have been tested to bend up to 30,000 times without failing. So as I mentioned, these cables do have full lifetime warranty with them. So pretty impressive from Anker with this PowerLine II USB-C to USB-A 2.0 cable right there. Nice clear view. And once again, just showing you that flexibility and malleability of the USB cable. So that's the Anker PowerLine II USB-C to USB-A 2.0 cable. Thanks for watching and happy charging!